Currently, mine disposal operations require putting people and operators in the minefield to dispose of the mines. Fisher is sort of the right product at the right time, given the things that are going on in Taiwan and the Strait of Hormuz, with mines choking down international shipping. Being able to dispose of mines without putting people in the minefield is a huge advantage for our military.
Fisher is just one example of many payloads that we can put on any of our GARCs using some interchangeable payload rails that we have on all of our GARCs. So having this capability basically means that each payload is hot swappable for the mission at hand. So we just bring in the GARC, switch it out, put a new payload in for a different purpose, a different mission, and put the same boat out there. So the deployment and recovery process generally involves two operators, one to actually control the ROV and the other to control the system that's on the GARC itself, so the Fisher launch and recovery system.
The deployment process for Fisher involves driving the small USV into a minefield remotely, deploying the Defender to dispose of mines, and recovering it after the mines are disposed of, and then transiting the small USV back to safety.
It launches, you can open up the cage and pay out an amount of tether for the ROV to drive around wherever they want to.
They have several camera feeds. Operator can see the position of the actuators, how much tether they have out.
When they want to recover it, they drive the ROV back, pull it back in with the tether, and there's just a one press button to recover everything, get it back onto the GARC, and send the GARC home.
Modularity is important because instead of swapping out and specializing this boat for this specific task, we just swap off the payload and we can just work on those two independent of each other.
VideoRay is most certainly the right partner for this capability simply because they provide us with the ROV, which is an all-encompassing package.
They have a proven and fielded system that's already been used by operators worldwide.
Our system brings autonomy, it brings the manless power to play so that we can do everything from the shore.